Welcome to Yo-Yo Kids Tube. Let's unlock your learning superpowers.
Hello kids, let's learn 50 action verbs. Wave. They are waving goodbye. Shake. They are shaking hands. Plant. She is planting a tree. Clean. He is cleaning the floor. Brush. She is brushing her teeth. Carry. They are carrying boxes. Jump rope. They are jumping rope together. Hug. They are hugging each other. Pull. He is pulling the cart. Ride. He is riding a bicycle. Fix. He is fixing the table. Drive. He is driving a car. Cut. He is cutting vegetables. Build. He is building a tower. Break. He is breaking wood. Draw. She is drawing a flower. Color. He is coloring the book. Wash. She is washing her hands. Cook. She is cooking rice. Catch. He is catching the ball. Open. He is opening the door. Kick. He is kicking the ball. Throw. He is throwing the ball. Fly. He is flying in the sky. Look. She is looking at the picture. Swim. She is swimming in the pool. Listen. He is listening to music. Cry. He is crying. Dance. He is dancing happily. Laugh. She is laughing loudly. Play. They're playing with toys. Sing. They're singing a song. Read. They are reading a book. Write. He is writing. Drink. He is drinking water. Sleep. She is sleeping. Stand. He is standing alone. Run. He is running so fast. Eat. He is eating sandwich. Sit. He is sitting alone. Walk. He is walking slowly. Jump. He is jumping high.